I checked out Zoho Notebook. And honestly, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The app claims to be a free, all-in-one note-taking solution, offering features like multimedia notes, cloud sync, and cross-device access. On paper, it sounds like a strong competitor to other popular note apps, especially since it's completely free. But when you dig deeper, a few things stand out. While the app is polished and easy to use, some advanced features you might find in premium apps, like advanced search, AI summarization, or team collaboration, are limited or absent. Verified user reviews are mostly positive, praising its clean interface and flexibility, but some users mention occasional sync issues and slower performance with large note libraries. The fact that it's free is a big plus, making it an appealing choice for students, casual users, or anyone who wants a lightweight note-taking solution without subscriptions. It also supports multiple formats, like text, audio, images, and checklists, which adds versatility. Overall, Zoho Notebook could be one of the best free note apps you're missing, especially if you want a simple, cross-device solution. Just manage expectations for advanced features, and it could easily become your go-to app for everyday notes.